I'm going to teach you the creamiest lemon dessert that exists, and for that add 790 grams of condensed milk into a blender, 600 grams of heavy cream, and 210 milliliters of lemon juice. Mix until all the ingredients are combined, and take the opportunity to click the like button. Then, pour part of the mixture into a dish covering the bottom. Dip cookies in milk and place them in the dish with the mixture we prepared earlier. Cover the entire surface with the mixture, making alternating layers of cookies and cream. Remember to share this recipe with your friends and family, and save this video to make it later. Refrigerate for 4 hours. To give a special touch, I'll add a little lemon zest on top, and our dessert will be ready to serve. If you like this recipe, take the opportunity to rate it from 0 to 10 in the comments, and also tell me from which city or country you're watching. And also tell me what you thought of the recipe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you next time.